Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Polygon address in MetaMask. In order to do it, you first of all need to launch your MetaMask mobile application, and then you need to first of all change your network to the Polygon network. So in order to do it, you need to tap on this icon in the top left hand corner of the screen, and now you need to select Polygon mainnet. After tapping on the Polygon mainnet option, you need to give it like around 5 seconds, and then it will change your network to the Polygon network, and now you will see the Pol token over here as well. So in order to get the Polygon address, you need to tap on the Pol token, and now you need to tap on the receive option over here. So once you tap on receive, you will see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you can copy this address and you can use it in order to get Polygon or the Matic coin in your MetaMask account. So this is how you can get Polygon address in MetaMask. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next one.